Hey guys, I have a little laundry hack for you guys. I mentioned this on one of my lives not too long ago, and you guys were like, wait, what? So I'm sharing it with all of you who didn't watch my live. I am guilty of putting clothes to wash and then dry and then leaving them in the dryer and then they get all wrinkled, especially my husband's work clothes. So my hack is I throw in some ice cubes into the dryer. I run it for like 20, 30 minutes and my clothes come out nice and unwrinkled. Let me show you. So here they are. They've been sitting here for about a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss my ice cubes in. And then I'm going to just set it, hold on. You guys have also asked me about my washer and dryer. This is the LG Wash Tower and I am obsessed. Highly recommend. So I'm just gonna run it normally. I'm gonna do about, let's do 30 minutes. And there it goes. So this tip, guys, is not just for like a full load of laundry or anything like that. If you guys have like a shirt that you want to wear and you want it to be like steamed, but you don't have time to like run your steamer or iron it, try that little hack. Throw it in there with 1 or 2 ice cubes, depending on the size of the load. If it's like one shirt, I'll probably do like 1 to 2 ice cubes. Run it for like 15, 20 minutes. You're good to go. Let me know if it helps, guys. Let me know if you try it out. Besitos.